How to add digital wallet in Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add digital wallet in your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Instagram app. And then once you're on your Instagram, you have to go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. And then you have to tap on menu in the top right corner, and here you will see the digital collectibles option. If you don't see this option, update your app and then tap on this option, and then here tap on get started in the bottom, and then tap on continue, and then select the wallet you want to connect. After selecting, tap on continue and agree, and it will take you to that wallet. Then here tap on connect and wait for a few seconds, and then here it says verify your wallet, open trust wallet to finish connecting your wallet. So tap on open trust wallet, and then here enter the passcode, and then you have to tap on sign in the bottom here, and then again enter the passcode and wait for a few seconds, and here it says wallet connected. Now trust wallet has been connected. Your digital collectibles should appear soon. You can manage how you're tagged in collectibles in privacy settings. So you have to just tap on OK. And you can see that here in connected wallets it shows my trust wallet is connected. So this is how you can add digital wallets in your Instagram. Thanks for watching.